Hi, I'm Melody Moser, and I've got 33 end of the year tips for you to close out the year successfully. Number one, create a schedule from now until January 1st. Schedule your party time, your family time, and your work time. Be sure that you have enough hours scheduled in work time to prospect and create your first quarter business. Number two, prospect. Now is the time to speed past your competition as they take time off. For sale by owners and expireds are very important. Consider subscribing to something like Vulcan7, Red X, or Land Voice for your prospecting lists. This is going to help you with your sweat equity activities. Number three, lead follow-up, cleanup. Call through every single listing lead, every buyer lead, every door knocking lead, every old open house lead. Find somebody who wants to move in January. Set appointments now for January appointments. Number four, sphere of influence. Divide your database by 14 and text a simple happy holidays to everybody in your database. Record your calls or texts in your CRM. Look up their address if it's missing, and take the opportunity to dive deeper into your goldmine, which is the data in your CRM. Number five, say yes to every party. Yep, that's right, say yes. Review the real estate statistics to intelligently answer the question, how is the real estate market? Number six, pull together the settlement statements from your closings last year and get a mail out ready for your past clients for January 5th. If you'd like a sample cover letter, let me know. I'd love to give you a free copy. Number seven, review your insurance policies. Verify that you've added your brokerage as additionally insured on your auto policy and send the office a copy of the front page. This doesn't increase your premium, but in the event of an accident, if somebody sues the real estate company that you're affiliated with, it'll prevent them from having to come after you. It's a free CYA. Number eight, you're going to demand more of your body in today's market, so make sure your engine gets checked out. Schedule annual exams early in the year to take full advantage of deductibles should you require any additional appointments. Schedule a physical, a mammogram, colonoscopy, blood work, and don't forget those eye exams and dental exams. Number nine, speaking of body, start a fitness and nutrition program now. It's better not to put on the extra holiday pounds and get a head start in the gym before the New Year's rush. Schedule time with a personal trainer to weigh in and get a good starting point for your New Year fitness program. A strong body is going to serve you well with the long hours required in real estate. Number 10, now is the time to review your systems and processes. You can be sure to hone in what is working and release what is not. Get rid of those additional apps you are no longer using or that are duplicated. Number 11, learn about money. Yep, read a book. Get smart about your money. Check out the links in the description. We're an Amazon affiliate and earn a small commission when you click on that link. It doesn't cost you more, and we've got 4 books that you should read right away. Number 12, set up your chart of accounts to help with your bookkeeping. You can get your tax work started by utilizing the chart of accounts. If you'd like a template of the chart of accounts that we've used in our real estate business, let me know. I'm happy to send it over. Number 13, go through all your credit cards and checking accounts. Find out how to cut 10% out of your monthly expenses. Do this immediately. As the market shifts, you may need to make further cuts. Be prepared to review and account for every penny. Number 14, pull your personal statistics to use for next year. It's always good to know what areas you're excelling in. Number 15, refresh your resume or bio. It's time to create a bio video and post it. Put the links to your video in your email signature. 16, review your big why. Create some visuals that correspond to your big why. First, create a hundreds list. It's 100 places you want to go, 100 things that you want to have, and 100 things that you want to experience. Create a vision board from that list. Number 17, review your business plan. Number 18, review your financial plan. Number 19, review your marketing plan. Number 20, get new professional photography. Schedule new professional headshots taken in a studio with a proper camera and lighting. Call the listing agent on a model home and ask them if you can schedule a lifestyle photo shoot. You'll be able to use all these photos all year long in your marketing campaign. The cost is well worth it. Number 21, create a brand audit. Is your brand on point, and are you portraying the professional real estate agent that you want to be? Does your image look or need to be updated? How about dress? Is your dress and your hair on brand? Change it if it isn't working. Buy a new suit, buy a new tie, dress up as a professional. Number 22, clean your desk. Clean your desk, clean your office, paint, refresh, rearrange. I've got a book in the description below that's going to help change your life. Number 23, clear the clutter. Check out your laptop, your desktop, and your phone and clear off all the clutter. Get ready to start the new year with a clean slate. If you aren't sure about deleting a file on your computer, slide the file in question into a folder that's earmarked to delete the last day of next year. And then if you need it during the year, you're going to pull it out, put it where you can use it. And on the last day of the year, you go back and you delete that folder. This technique works very well for accounting items. You simply need to keep those files for 7 years rather than 1. Number 24, check your tech. Implement something new with the tech that you currently have. Get rid of all the apps in the tech that you're not using. Now, we've said this before, KISS, keep it simple, stupid. Is that the right way? Yeah. Keep it simple, stupid. Don't add anything to your tech stack unless you exhaust the tech that you already have. Number 25, social media updates. Review all the social media, update your bio and your photos, and be sure all the links are working and are pointed to where you want them to go. Number 26, schedule your holiday social media posts for the entire year. There are several social media scheduling apps, including Hootsuite, Loomly, and Buffer. Number 27, gather your reviews. If you haven't signed up for Reach 150 or a similar app, do it today. It's very easy. You're going to start gathering your reviews, put them in one place that's easy for your prospects to find. And if you have reviews, but they're spread out over multiple places, consider asking those people for a fresh review. Number 28, take a break with your loved ones. You've worked really hard this year. And when it's time to celebrate the holidays with the people who matter most, turn your phone all the way off and gift them with your full presence and attention. Number 29, as you pack away the holiday cheer, gift or donate good decor that is ready for someone to give it new life. Retire what you are tired of and make room for less clutter next year, or even create a new holiday style. Number 30, treat yourself to a small shopping spree with all the after holiday specials. Find a new outfit to upgrade your professional style, add an accessory to put pizzazz in your classic wardrobe, or find a new winter coat to keep you warm during those showings. Number 31, gift yourself with a spa day or a massage. Take time to celebrate yourself with a little time for relaxing. Number 32, meditate or learn a new meditation technique. I recommend reading Quiet Mind, Epic Life by Matthew Ferry. The link is in the description below. And number 33, rev up for the new year. It's a good time to be a real estate salesperson. The market is moving to normal, which means that you'll be able to work with other agents to negotiate a win-win situation, not a win-lose. So your buyers and sellers are going to thank you for all of the prep that you've done for the new year.